Last time out.
Wala ng timeout. Dalawa.
Good, hindi kita makita.
Back to the Philippines. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Same ball, shot clock 11 seconds. Shot clock 11. Five second shot clock. 2 points.
Kumanda yung laban. Norio. Pass.
Foul, number 29. Whining for penalty. Whining for penalty.
Wala na. Pass tayo. Timeout. Dalawa.
Time out. Team Antman. Team Antman. 1 remaining timeout. Team Maran, 1 remaining timeout. Team Antman, no timeout. Whining for penalty. Team Antman, whining for penalty. Two points. 55 seconds. 50 seconds. 10 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds shot clock. Thirty seconds. 25 seconds. 10 seconds shot clock. Rebound 16. 10 seconds. Good goal. Time out. Team Maran. 7 seconds.
Champion na yata.
Ganda laban.
Wait, hands ka na. Ayusin mo na.
Back to the board game. 7 seconds. 7 seconds.
Wala na, sir.
Both teams, no remaining timeout. Both teams, no remaining timeout. Foul. Number 3. Third team foul. Third team foul. Third team foul.
Sayang.
13 total ang third team foul. 3 seconds.
Layo.
Ano ba? Three seconds. 3 seconds.
Sa ilalim ito. Sa basa. Bakit pinulog sa ano? Malayo mo. Malayo.
Paano pa pumasok yan?
Hindi mo ilalim. Sa ilalim. Pero gusto na.
3 seconds.
Stop na pati mo mga John! Stop na pati mo mga John!
Boss, susunod na tayo. Di makita. Boss. 3 seconds.